What if the drone industry's biggest giant just quietly leaked its most disruptive pocket-sized creator tool yet, threatening to render almost every budget vlogging setup obsolete before the end of this year? Industry insiders have been buzzing about mysterious regulatory filings and sudden supply chain shifts that point directly to the arrival of the DJI Neo 3, a camera drone engineered to completely redefine autonomous aerial filming, hands-free tracking, and ultra-portable content creation. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Today, we are opening the vault on every single leak, patent, and insider report surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Neo 3 to uncover how this tiny power-packed machine is preparing to crush its competition, blow past previous limitations, and set a massive new benchmark for high-performance micro-drones. When DJI introduced its ultra-lightweight Palm Takeoff series, it proved to millions of solo creators that high-quality aerial cinematography no longer required heavy gear bags, complex remote controls, or years of flight training. However, despite early success, early adopters quickly encountered frustrating performance ceilings, including limited wind resistance, noise levels that attracted unwanted attention, and video output that struggled under harsh lighting or fast motion. The DJI Neo 3 is built from the ground up as a direct, ruthless answer to every single complaint ever registered by creators, travelers, and drone enthusiasts worldwide. The latest supply chain intelligence reveals that DJI engineers have re-engineered the frame dynamics using advanced carbon composite blends and ultra-quiet propeller acoustics, reducing aerodynamic drag while significantly lowering the high-pitched buzz that previously plagued compact duck drones. At the core of the DJI Neo 3 lies a dramatically overhauled vision processing unit coupled with next-generation artificial intelligence algorithms. Where older micro-drones relied heavily on basic visual tracking that easily lost subjects behind trees, vehicles, or crowds, the Neo 3 introduces an ultra-smart visual engine capable of predicting human movement paths in real time. Leaked internal documentation hints at a deep learning neural module trained on hundreds of thousands of hours of complex action footage. Whether you're sprinting down a busy city avenue, mountain biking through dense pine forests, or weaving through unpredictable indoor spaces, the drone maintains a rock-solid lock on your face and body geometry. This allows it to make split-second trajectory corrections, keeping you perfectly framed without the jerky, robotic jitter that ruined footage on previous generations. Visual quality has taken a massive leap forward, far surpassing what anyone expected from a device lightweight enough to sit comfortably in the palm of your hand. Rumors from key sensor suppliers suggest that DJI has managed to squeeze a larger, custom-calibrated CMOS image sensor into the reinforced gimbal housing of the Neo 3. This updated sensor delivers vastly improved dynamic range, suppressing blown-out highlights during bright sunny middays while pulling crisp, noise-free shadow details out of high-contrast sunset scenes. Paired with enhanced 4K recording capabilities at higher bit rates and silky smooth high frame rate options, creator-focused footage will look strikingly close to professional cinema gear. Color grading enthusiasts will also celebrate the rumored inclusion of a dedicated flat color profile, offering unmatched flexibility when color-matching drone clips with mirrorless cameras or flagship smartphones in post-production. Engineers have tackled one of the most stubborn bottlenecks of micro-drones: power efficiency and real-world battery endurance. High-density battery technology developed specifically for small form-factor devices has enabled the DJI Neo 3 to achieve drastically longer flight times without adding excess weight that would trigger restrictive government drone registrations. Specialized power management microcontrollers dynamically regulate voltage distribution between the motors, processing unit, and video transmission array based on wind conditions and flight aggressiveness. This intelligent energy conservation system ensures that every milliampere hour is squeezed for maximum airtime, allowing creators to shoot multiple quick-action sequences, orbital shots, and cinematic reveals on a single charge without constantly reaching for spare batteries or portable chargers. Flight stability and wind resistance have always been the Achilles heel of subminiature aircraft, but the Neo 3 turns this weakness into a core strength through redesigned duct guards and upgraded brushless motors. The fully enclosed propeller system not only provides complete peace of mind when flying close to people, foliage, or indoor structures, but also creates an aerodynamic air shroud effect that optimizes vertical lift and lateral torque. Advanced internal gyroscopes and multi-directional barometric sensors constantly monitor environmental gusts, adjusting individual motor rotations thousands of times per second. Test footage leaks show the drone maintaining rock-steady horizon stability even when hit by sudden, harsh coastal wind gusts that would force competing lightweight drones to drift off course or trigger emergency automated landings. The control mechanism for the DJI Neo 3 has undergone an absolute revolution, catering to both absolute beginners and seasoned veteran pilots alike. Recognizing that modern solo creators want zero friction between having an idea and capturing the shot, DJI has perfected palm gesture controls and voice command integration. You can launch the drone directly from your outstretched hand without touching a phone or remote control, dictate specific cinematic maneuvers like follow, rocket, spotlight, or helix using simple spoken commands, and land it smoothly back onto your palm with absolute precision. For those who demand granular manual piloting, seamless high-speed connectivity allows instantly linking dedicated controllers, smart glasses, or smartphone touchscreen setups, yielding sub-millisecond response latency for surgical flight maneuvers through tight spaces. Video transmission has seen a total overhaul thanks to the implementation of DJI's latest proprietary wireless transmission protocol adapted specifically for compact form factors. Earlier generation microdrones often suffered from frustrating signal dropouts, choppy live view feeds, and severe interference whenever operating in dense urban environments saturated with Wi-Fi signals and Bluetooth chatter. The Neo 3 utilizes smart dual-band frequency hopping and high-gain antenna architecture integrated seamlessly into its frame structure. This technical breakthrough provides an unbreakable live HD feed straight to your mobile screen or FPV headset over unprecedented distances, ensuring that you can explore wide landscapes, fly behind structural obstacles, and capture cinematic vistas without ever fearing a sudden black screen or lost signal alarm. Safety features on the DJI Neo 3 set an entirely new standard for personal creator drones, making mid-air collisions and lost aircraft scenarios virtually a thing of the past. Beyond the physical protective propeller guards, the aircraft houses an array of downward and forward-facing optical flow sensors combined with infrared time-of-flight depth detectors. This multi-layered sensing array maps nearby surroundings in real time, creating a spatial safety bubble that prevents the drone from backing into walls, drifting into low-hanging branches, or making dangerous contact with ground obstacles during automated return-to-home routines. If battery levels drop critically low or connection signals suffer unrecoverable interference, the Neo 3 intelligently calculates the safest return path, retraces its exact flight trajectory, and performs a soft precision landing directly at its point of origin. Audio capture, long considered the ultimate missing piece in autonomous drone filming, has finally been solved with an ingenious audio syncing ecosystem designed into the Neo 3. Historically, drone footage was completely ruined by deafening motor noise, forcing creators to replace ambient sound with background music or manually sync separate audio recordings in editing software. The Neo 3 links directly via low-latency wireless Bluetooth to external lavalier microphones, smartphone mics, or dedicated audio transmitters. Sophisticated noise cancellation algorithms inside the DJI app actively strip out specific motor frequencies in real time, isolating your vocal clarity with astounding precision. This means you can walk, talk, and host vlog segments outdoors while the drone orbits around you, capturing pristine studio Q. Duality dialogue synced perfectly to the high-definition video track. Storage flexibility and high-speed data offloading have also been optimized to keep pace with fast-moving content creation workflows. The DJI Neo 3 comes equipped with generous onboard high-speed flash memory, ensuring that you never miss a critical shot just because you forgot to insert an external memory card. When you do want to transfer gigabytes of high bitrate 4K footage to your smartphone or laptop, the drone features ultra-fast wireless quick transfer technology that pushes files at blazing speeds without needing cords or adapters. You can shoot a cinematic sequence on location, transfer the high-resolution footage directly to your mobile editing suite within seconds, apply color LUTs, and publish directly to social platforms before even walking away from the scene.